पता चला कि मुझे चॉकलेट बनानी है और मुझे चॉकलेट बनाना सीखना है, तो मैं थोड़ा सोच रही थी कि ओ गॉड कैसे होंगी ये क्लासेस. But it was so much fun. I had so much fun, I think, doing everything. And to my surprise, Rakhi told me on the first session that your hand moves well. You know, you get the groove of it well. And the best thing about chocolate making is that you're surrounded with the chocolate smell, which keeps you going all the time. And it's fascinating to see how these different wonderful chocolates and what kinds of chocolates are there. Because मेरा जो character है वो एक chocolate shop चलाती है, Saira. Chocolates बनाती है. We even have montages of shots of me making chocolate in my chocolate shop. And सायरा को हमने मैंने थोड़ा सा जो पुराने स्टाइल्स और पुरानी चीज़ें पसंद करती है मेरे दिमाग में ट्रेडिशनल मेरे दिमाग में ये बैक स्टोरी थी कि शी हैज़ इनहेरिटेड द चॉकलेट शॉप फ्रॉम वन ऑफ हर आंट्स एंड वो चॉकलेट शॉप भी जो है वो थोड़ी ट्रेडिशनल दिखती है, उसके तरीके जो हैं वो थोड़े ट्रेडिशनल हैं. But I think I really enjoyed the whole process, which is what makes all the difference. And to look like someone who makes chocolates, we had to go through a lot.
So tell me, how was your experience finally?
It was very good, and I love she teaches like a बच्चे को जैसे सिखा रहे हैं छोटी छोटी details, and she used to tell me like every small detail about the kinds of chocolates and what you're making, what is the difference between one and the other.
Question coming up for you. Kind of chocolate. ये technical question है, मैं test करना चाहती हूँ मेरी student कितनी अच्छी है. So tell me, what are the kinds of chocolate?
So there's compound chocolate, and there's Squircher chocolate.
Okay, so what is compound and what is Squircher? देख रहे हैं
it's like an exam
हो रही है. Yes, of course. ये exam आपको pass करना है क्योंकि मैं fail हो जाऊँगी.
Yeah, so the compound chocolate is basically the run-of-the-mill, the generic chocolate that we all have. It is made up of cocoa and fats and other stuff. It does not require tempering. Now tempering is something that जो pure chocolate होती है उसको melt करके एक temperature तक, which is about 42 degrees तक लेके जाना होता है. Then you cool it down to about 32 degrees. Approximately. And that's when it sets. That's the setting temperature.
But did you do this technique? I don't think so.
Not there. So the compound chocolate is easier to handle because it does not require tempering. मैं layman language में अगर बोलूँ तो आप बहुत बार एक chocolate को खाते हैं जो छूने से ही almost melt हो जाती है. So that's more pure. That's made out of cocoa beans. And the compound chocolate has fats and other things
to color and everything.
Yeah.
But जो pure chocolate होता है उसमें cocoa solids ज़्यादा होता है, which is made from the beans, so the percentage भी दिया जाता है. So when Kritik came, we worked with 63.
Yeah.
No, you can go up to 80, 90. But when Kritik came to me, there was this challenge. When Saira is inheriting this shop, जो उसके aunt का है और ये बहुत traditional shop है. So अगर हम लोग technically modern way में अगर chocolate tempering करते हैं, you need a tempering machine. आपको laser gun चाहिए होता है to see the temperature. हम temperature देखते हैं chocolate का, which she didn't learn, and she learned it the traditional way, जो सिर्फ touch or
I'm actually going to do tempering in front of you guys, so you will know how it's going to be. But tempering मेरा जो favorite part था chocolate making का वो था, और मुझे बहुत मज़ा आता था tempering करने में. I think you will see the smile on my face when I'm doing it in front of you. It's even shown in the film. I don't know. In a lot of montages, there's one montage where me and Sushant are actually taking the doing tempering, and he's holding my hand and he's making a mess out of it. But
you better be better over there at that. Huh?
Yeah.
Okay, so that's one well answered question. Tell me, when you went back after training, she took around कितने classes लिए आपने?
I think 5 classes, including one that brush up class that we had at the end.
How to check? She wanted to be like a nice visit. Can you please test me कि बराबर?
I actually want to brag about something. Because I learned it so well here.
Yes.
When I went to Budapest, they got one trainer there as well.
Yes.
One instructor there. and they said कि यार you know वो सीन करना है तो आप एक बार जाके ना थोड़ा brush up करा. And I went there, and trust me, I did everything on my own, and she was surprised, and she's like, "You don't need
Thank
me."
you so much. That feels great. I'm elated and I'm top of the world. I remember when you met me back
Yeah.
over here in Mumbai, you told me this. It was like the best.
And
thing
she
for
was
me.
so sweet because when I was in Budapest, she used to message me, "How's it going? Did the chocolate making happen? You know, how did those scenes go? What all did you do?" So she was more enthusiastic about it than even I was.
Yes, I was. I remember I was really happy about it, and you did a fantastic job. We're going to show them कि हमने क्या किया. So tell me, did you when you went back, आपने कितनी training और करी? And did Shashant and Deepu like it? Did you make them try?
Once again, they used to enjoy all the chocolates that I used to make here. I used to take boxes of chocolates that I tried making here, and they all used to enjoy at the Maddock office. Very nicely. I think somewhere me and Sushant kind of started bonding only on chocolates.
Oh, lovely.
Because he loves chocolates.
Awesome.
So yeah.
So you're the next chocolatier in Mumbai, is it?
Yeah, probably. I think
After
it's
that.
one dessert that I can make.
Okay, great. That's amazing. So, so should we get started?
Yeah, I think let's start with the tempering. I think this needs to be heated up once more.
Okay, so the student has learned really well. So the technique
internet
that
थोड़ा
she's
ज़रा
explaining, we are going to show the tempering of the chocolate. हम थोड़े truffles भी बनाने वाले हैं, right? Okay, so इसे मैं temper में ऐसे heat कर लेती हूँ. थोड़ा सा और light पे भी ना शहजादी के. Why don't you grab your apron on?
Yes, yes.
अरे यार,
So, going on the traditional way and going as Saira, I have to take off all the rings that I'm wearing. You cannot be wearing all this when you're cooking, especially. And deliberately, I've had my hair back because she would have scolded me for this.
And all those lovely rings.
Yes.
You just take it.
I've taken off my shoes, I've taken off my rings, I'm going to
अंदर
Please just keep
बस
on.
थोड़ा सा है शेफ.
Yes.
कि ये एक बहुत ट्रेडिशनल मेथड है एज यू सी. तो इसलिए हम लोग अपना सरफेस क्लीन रखते हैं. एंड शी इज गोइंग टू शो यू कैसे किया जाता है ये. यू नीड अ मार्बल और अ ग्रेनाइट सरफेस.
To cool it down basically because that's cold.
स्टूडेंट हैज लर्नड रियली वेल. सारे आंसर सही जवाब, सही जवाब.
I'm a quick learner. I used to be like, even in my BTech, in my college and school, I used to be like, I have to know all the answers. I freak out otherwise. I'll just remove the mic in case the chocolate kind of
I'll
falls
hold
out.
it.
सीधा रास्ता पता है
You remember this?
Yeah, but I don't want to use it.
Yeah, but we'll just counteract and show them.
Yeah.
So let's see. And I can just change it. You can put it.
This is the best
अंदर
part. It
थोड़ा
just
अंदर,
looks
थोड़ा।
so yum.
अंदर अंदर थोड़ा
Wait,
Thank
drop
you.
on you.
No, no worries. So हमने ये टेक्निक नहीं यूज की थी. She'll show you with the look and feel. Is it hot enough?
Yeah, it feels like I know what I'm tempting. So you basically just nicely spread it and then you take it back like that. Am I doing it right? I'm doing it after ages. Huh?
Yes. Perfect. So what she's doing is basically spreading it ताकि वो अच्छे से cool down हो जाए. And जैसे ही वो thick होने लगता है, look, she's working like a professional. And वो thick होने लगेगा.
You just already started.
Yes. And
I think this is the last one I'm doing.
yes, I know. So she's already understood it. Where are you going to check and tell them?
I will just do it.
अंदर थोड़ा अंदर
What's
हाँ,
your
बस ऐसे
checking point? Yes.
Yeah, I can feel it here only.
Yeah. So this is your most sensitive part, as you see, and the lip. So do you wanna try? You try it?
Yeah, I
Okay.
can almost liquid.
Okay. So there you go. So because ये हमारा sensitive part है, this is how she learned. आप देख सकते हैं chocolate thick हो गया. So she could recognize without me even taking the temperature that ये setting point पे आ चुका है. So then this chocolate can now go into a mold. Should we make something out of it now? कुछ bags आप लोग देखना चाहेंगे कुछ chocolate बनाते हुए इसके बाद?
Let's make bars.
Yeah,
Let's
bars
make
बनाए.
bars.
चलिए चलिए.
Not bars.
Yeah, चलिए. कुछ टेस्टी which even they should be able to taste कि आपने क्या चॉकलेट्स बनाए हैं. Yeah, the bowl is small and you're too tall for our workstations. Good job. देख सकते हैं आप हमारी स्टूडेंट ने बहुत अच्छा काम किया है.
And as you say, do not waste the chocolate.
Of course, because it's very good and expensive chocolate.
And because I want to shop with my daily cake.
Yes. So did Shaitan come to buy chocolates in the movie? We need to know
Shan?
this. Yeah.
Yeah, he does.
ये स्टोरी बताइए ना क्या हुआ था.
इतनी स्टोरी वो एक्चुअली पहली बार मिलते ही चॉकलेट शॉप में. So chocolate shop was like a very important part. And it's one of the scenes. It's one of the scenes in my intro basically, where I'm making chocolate and it just gives you a nice Saira vibe, I would say. That making chocolates and I tempered in the first in the intro.
And he walks in at that time.
He actually walks in when I'm washing the dishes.
Oh, okay, lovely.
But he because he
सारा
loves
बहुत
chocolates.
मेहनत करती है पिक्चर में basically.
Yeah.
इतना सारा काम सीखा है सायरा ने. Actually कृति ने. Okay, so this is done